Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Microsoft Visual C++. The feature you are trying to use is on network resource that is unavailable error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select uninstall a program. Scroll down. You just need to uninstall all the Microsoft Visual C++ listed over here guys. Just by right click on it one by one and uninstall it. After uninstalling all Microsoft Visual C++ listed over here, you just need to close stuff here. Go to search menu and type Registry Editor. Click on open it and select yes. Now check my video description for this registry path. Just copy and paste it over here and press enter. Under products, you just need to select it one by one and see in product name. If you see Microsoft Visual C++, then you just need to delete this folder guys. Just need to find it one by one like this. In my case, I don't have anything named as Microsoft Visual C++ in product name. In your case, if you find anything, then you just need to right click on this folder and select delete it guys. Do the same for all of these under products. After doing it, just close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you just need to open up Chrome and search latest Visual C++ redistributables. Press enter. Select the first link. You just need to scroll down. You just need to download x86 and x64. Select both links and download it. And it started downloading. After getting download done, you just need to install both of these. And install the x86 as well. After getting installed, and you just need to close stuff here and go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, your problem should be fixed guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.